Yeah, now she's on fire now.
Of course, I'm going backwards! Welcome back. This is part 2. If you missed part 1 of this amazing trip, we're going to link that right up above.
Everything has been great so far regarding being in Nashville.
Everything. Yeah, the weather, everything. So we're spending the evening in downtown Nashville. We're going to go get some dinner, enjoy the lights. We've been here a couple times, as you may have seen in part 1, but we didn't stay for when everything was really lit up. So we're going to check all that out tonight. We're at home back in New York City.
Very interesting smells that we're smelling around here.
This is very cool at night.
Awesome.
Nashville, downtown Nashville on Broadway. It's definitely for a younger crowd, I think.
Yeah.
Izzy's kind of tapping out. He's so tired.
We're all tired.
It's loud. It's like happening.
There's long lines for all the bars around here.
Yeah, but it's so cool.
It's awesome.
The lights, the music, and if you like a party scene, so it's Saturday night. We came here, I think, on Tuesday, and it was dead. We're gonna turn it in for the night. The old people are tired.
We're gonna watch UFC.
It's the best start to the morning. But not everybody in the RV likes that. So I had the Blackstone out. We got some toast going, some Trader Joe's hash browns, egg whites and spinach. Jason's having some scrambled eggs. Super quiet right now, although I think tonight it's going to be a little more rowdy because they're having some adult party at the water park. So we'll see.
And more RVs came in last night.
Yeah, but we'll see what happens a little later. Sometimes when you're camping, you meet people pop by the campground. It's happened to us many times, but we have a special guest that just happened to be in the neighborhood.
Yay! Hello!
It's Dash!
Guys, if you don't know who these people are, you need to go subscribe and follow them on YouTube. This is Wander Local. It's Lauren, Daniel, and Dash. They're amazing people. You want to tell them a little bit about your channel?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm Lauren, and our channel, we have, well, 2 RVs right now, one Airstream trailer and one Airstream van that kind of hates us, both which are in the shop. So there's a lot of fun drama associated with that. But at the bottom line, we love to travel just like Izzy and MJ, and we share our stories and where we explore, and we always focus on shopping local.
And of course, there's Baby Dash.
So they were kind enough, they were from Nashville, and they're kind of telling us about the local spots, and they were in the area. We've never been down here. So go check them out, guys.
Instagram, YouTube, everything at Wander, W-A-N-D-E-R, local, L-O-C-A-L. And yeah, you can find us anywhere, basically.
Breakfast was delicious. Delicious. Jason went with the cinnamon roll
pancakes. They were
pancake.
delicious. I'm stuffed.
I know, we're all so now we're at where?
Top Golf in Nashville, Tennessee.
Never been
to a Top
yes,
Golf.
never been here. So we're actually waiting to get started. So they had a promo. I don't know if they do this everywhere, but if you want to know, $15 for unlimited balls between 9 a.m. and 12 p.m. So I've never been to a driving range in my life. This is going to be hilarious. You haven't either, actually.
No.
And Izzy just told me that he took golf lessons when he was young, which I didn't know. Let's see how it goes. This is my first hit ever in my life. Besides mini golf, this is going to be bad. I know everybody's going to critique me. Be gentle, okay? I can't.
Nice.
That was beginner's luck. All right, Tiger Woods is up. You ready? MJ, the beginner, won the first game, and Izzy was very quiet, but now we're in the middle of the second game, and somebody's a little happier.
I'm just trying to drive the ball straight. That's it. That's all I'm trying to do.
Izzy's kicking my butt, and actually so is Jason right now, so we'll see how this game ends. It's been absolutely gorgeous here. It is brutal today. We're actually entering a heat wave now in Nashville for the next week, but we're leaving tomorrow. So we're gonna escape it. We had perfect weather. We have 2 more nights though on the road. Tomorrow night we're headed to a Harvest Host in Ohio. It's an Amish farm and bakery and kind of cool things. So we're excited about that. And then the next night we're headed to a farm market Harvest Host in Pennsylvania. And then we head our way home. So we're gonna take you along through these next couple Harvest Hosts and the rest of the trip. We're really excited. We said our sad goodbyes to Tennessee this morning at about, 6 a.m. on the road. We're in Kentucky right now. We're headed towards our next destination, which is Plain City, Ohio. We're headed to a Harvest Host there. So we're gonna show you, it's a bakery. It's like a Amish bakery, farm, restaurant, whole kind of setup. So I think it's a farm, but we'll see when we get there. We thought we had it booked. Harvest Host is great, by the way. We thought we had it booked and we didn't. Izzy had called and the guy said, yeah, it was fine. And we did not have a reservation when I called. So, but they fit us in, no problem. So we're going to stay there tonight.
2 quasi long days of driving. Definitely not the longest we've done. Not the shortest, but they're manageable. We should be there about 2 o'clock, probably 1 fuel stop, so probably closer to like 2:45 or so. So hopefully it's a nice, worry-free, trouble-free trip.
So far it's been good. No issues yet. Nellie started right up. We're chugging along, so.
300+ miles we just drove, and you can only imagine, look at the front of this thing. Look at the windshield. It is, I want to vomit right now. But we just started cleaning the front here. You can see where I cleaned right here, and then where I didn't clean, and what I used was the release. Guys, if you've watched our videos, you know this stuff is magic. You literally spray it on, wipe it off. The technology in here, the ingredients in here associate with the dirt. So once you spray it on, you wipe it off. It is effortless. 32 ounce bottle, guys. This is going to be your most expensive option. But if you buy the 1 gallon concentrate, you're going to get 80 of these size bottles. It's going to cost you $1.12 a bottle. So imagine you can carry 80 of these for the cost of 1, and you can use this on everything. Paint, fiberglass, glass, wheels, tires, roof, interior, furniture, it doesn't matter. There's no dyes in it. There's no sulfur. It's completely safe, non-toxic, made in the USA. You want to go to SideQuestUSA.com. Pick out the gallon because that's the best one. Use the discount code. You're going to get 10% off. And then if you spend $75 or more, you're going to get free shipping. Great company, guys, based in Wisconsin, USA. You can't get any better. This stuff is the real deal. We're going to put their information down below.
Well, no trip would be complete without a trip to the hospital or urgent care. Well, the RV worked great. We just got to the Harvest Host. No issues, thank God. It was a beautiful ride, no traffic. We flew into Ohio. It was awesome. And then we're on the ride and my elbow started throbbing. Now, I looked and I had a cut there. I have no idea where it came from. I'm wondering if it came from the water park or something, but I felt a little bit on and off over the last few days, but nothing that even concerned me. I looked, I'm like, wow, that looks really red. And it's like swollen and red, and there's a big scab on it. But the biggest thing is that it's hurting. When cuts heal, that usually doesn't happen. They scab and then they just go away. So I said, I have a feeling that I am infected. So we're headed to it. We just pulled into the Harvest Host. 10 minutes away is an urgent care. We're gonna go see. I have a feeling it is, but we will see. Okay, just came out, picking up an antibiotic. Nothing serious. They
didn't have to take the arm off.
No, the arm is staying. Little antibiotics, some Epsom salts, and I should be good to go. The pharmacy is literally 1 minute from the Harvest Host, so that's good. And then we're gonna get some dinner.
This is a nice area.
It is. It's a beautiful area. Still full from dinner last night. We had an amazing dinner in the restaurant at Der Dutchman. I think that was one of our favorite Harvest Hosts. The restaurant was good. They had a beautiful shop that was so nice. Jason had a lot to eat.
The food was delicious.
Jason partook in the buffet. Izzy and I just ordered off the menu, so you can do either there. Picked up a
In
couple.
1.5 miles, keep to the left on
There's
I-80.
GPS. Picked up a couple things at the bakery, and now we woke up, had a good night's sleep. It was cool. We actually had the windows open. On the road now, headed to our last stop, guys. This is the last night in this 2,000+ mile trip. We're gonna wind up in Catawissa, Pennsylvania. Hope I'm saying it right. We stay in a lot of odd named places. So we're staying tonight at the Rohrbach's Farm Market in Pennsylvania. Gonna get some nice veggies and things there and see what they have to offer. And my elbow's doing a little better today. It's not throbbing, which is good. So I have a couple antibiotics in me, so I think it's starting to work, hopefully, or maybe it's just healing on its own. I don't know. If you're ever unsure, you know, just pop into an urgent care, especially if you're on vacation. You don't want, you know, time to be ruined. So I'm glad I went. We had a nice night last night. We stayed over at a Harvest Host in Catawissa. I think I'm saying it right. Pennsylvania. It's Rohrbach's Farm Market. Beautiful place. We did a full review on this. Nice large space to park, a great bakery and restaurant, which we didn't go to, but the bakery was great, store, really, really nice, gorgeous views and everything. But now
It's all over.
It's all over.
We got about 2 hours, 15 minutes to home. We were out for what, 14 days? 15
Yeah,
days?
it's about-
I
yeah,
kind of
about
lost
2
track.
weeks,
But
yeah.
we're ready to get back home for sure.
2 weeks is good. Like when we're most timers, it's going to be different. When you're vacationing, I know for me, 2 weeks, I'm like, I need to get back home, get
Yeah.
back in my routine and, you know. So this has been a multi-video series. We left, you know, like we said, a couple weeks ago. We've gone thousands of miles. So we'll link the videos. We'll link one up above, actually 2 above, if you missed the beginning of this whole trip.
And although this was our longest trip, this is by no means our last trip. We have the Hershey Show coming up, and then we have Labor Day, or Labor Day weekends first, then the Hershey Show.
Then we have Lancaster, which we're doing a very popular RV spot there. We have a lot of really, really cool things. Some things that may pan out, but could be really, really cool. So stay tuned.
And of
for
course, we're going to have a bunch of RV tours coming up out of the Hershey Show. I know you guys always enjoy that. So guys, thanks for joining us. If you like videos like this, to the left of us, we'll put our RV vlogs playlist. We'll put our RV campground reviews playlist. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime. And we'll see you on the road.